So you want to know how can we monetize the timing and work at the same time along with the company campaigns with the World Cup schedule. I understand. Well, remember, India is only 1.5 hours ahead of Qatar. Okay, that's time wise. Number one. Number two. So we are going to be on 128 channels. All right, Middle Eastern. So it's Bean Sports Channel. Now, during that season, which is roughly a month time, they're going to be broadcasting only like 24/7 the matches and comments and repeating playback and commercial. That's what it is. So we don't have to be per se just on the uh, game time. We will be before, and we chose to emphasize and focus. We're going to concentrate our heavy marketing before and during the halftime. So they play 45 minutes, they take a 15-minute break, they play another 45 minutes. Total play time is 90 minutes, and if they're tied, they have another 15 to 30 minutes overtime. And so at the end, we discussed with our marketing team that we could assess that people will just want to walk away, whether their team is losing or winning. They're typically either tired of watching a couple of hours, on the screen, and they can't wait for it to be over. They are either disappointed and unhappy, they walk away, or they cheer. Okay, they celebrate. So I don't think psychology is suggesting to avoid that time for marketing. So we concentrated in the beginning. It's you're neither happy or uh, pissed off. So you're gonna see us more before the games and obviously halftime, but in during the day. So it is 24 hours. All right, it is 24 hours. Now we didn't decide the exact script to be respectful and final, but the work and the preparation we're doing, the departments, the PhDs, the producers, like television, TV channels, producers, will be working on our side. We're preparing studios for audio, visuals in multiple locations, meaning multiple countries. And so we really have some experts, and to them we're behind. It is like we have to really work around the clock to be able to beat the clock. And so I have confidence in the team, and we're not going to bring anything normal or typical. I mean, our production will be entertaining, uh, enlightening, and of course, enlightening and uh, rather leading that curiosity to more and more engagement with ONPASSIVE. But that's one lane. It doesn't mean during that month all eyes are just going to be on the soccer games. There will be other stuff going on at the same time. And I'm going to leak out something. So we have something. If we make it, it's literally like owning, I don't know, a city. Okay. And we're working on that project too. We uh, we also will have some commercial in Doha, Qatar itself, where the capital of Qatar, okay, the where the stadiums are, and there will be not as Burj Khalifa the height, but they are very sophisticated, uh, you know, architecture, like the venues and the buildings, and we have some packages, so we're going to be displayed there day and night, and all across the region. And but these are different channels. They have Spanish, French, English, Arabic, Portuguese, I think a few languages. Okay, so we're going to also have different languages. Obviously, you're not going to have the same commercial because some Brazilian will be watching. You're not going to put a commercial in Arabic to them, right? Okay. So we want to make sure something universal. So we have a lot of work in that avenue. Now, as far as the founder, you're not going to go wrong. Anytime you you uh, you have a company that is backing you up, anytime you make your pitch as suitable, that would be good. One day I'm gonna give a lesson, and that would be a breakthrough in the marketing uh, industry in general. So as of now, I'm getting congested. As of now, we know online marketing and offline marketing. Traditionally, newspapers, magazine publications, billboards, this, that, mainstream, all of that, and then the online, which is you see ads on different platforms, on YouTube, commercial, all of that. Okay, and there is my new way of marketing, which interconnecting both in such a genius way, and do not miss out. You cannot do complete online marketing because it sounds like isolated or detached, and you cannot go 100% online in 22 selling and promoting digital product, futuristic thing. So you have to have a new way, such a combination, very sophisticated marriage that you put one first, but the other one complements it, and you cannot do one without the other one, and that's entertaining. So let me give you an example. Watching the soccer, that's a big event. You watch it. It's offline, but to integrate that digital in a digital way on the online way, that would be the unpassive. So we will be creating events, and I'm proposing this more to India because it's so easy to get a crowd of 1,000, 2,000 people on anything. Give away cookies or anything. Any event you create, you get a crowd. We're just going to be teaching you and training you how to turn that into a digital traffic. You follow me? Okay,
Yeah.
and that is more entertaining. Like we watched YouTubes for whether entertainment or adventures or all of that, but they are not happening on YouTube. But the combination, okay. So there's a new way of marketing, and that's the unpassive marketing wonder. So I will be teaching that. I'm gonna first, obviously, uh, demonstrate. I will be showing you the campaigns we're doing and how is that the new way. And then you just rip off and burn all the marketing and sales books up to date. You just dump that. It's just not going to work anymore. There's a new way of marketing, and that's the passive way.
By the way, the Ben Sport is huge.
Yeah,
382 channels. And then the highlights that they play 24/7 for
24/7. Yeah.
that whole month. Nobody covers it any better than Ben Sports.
And they're the only, like, they're focused on that event during the, well, yeah, I don't know, maybe they just will display the highlight or a recap or a summary, or yeah, but they are just hardcore World Cup for the whole month. Yeah, and they're watched on mobile apps. They have on any device, big screen, small screen,
Oh,
medium screen.
Dish TV, it's everywhere.
Yeah, exactly. So I mean, I think we're going to have more than 4 or 13 people will watch it.
Yeah, I'm
Or
pushing more to 20. But
oh, well, we'll see. But I know 4 will be there. I'm one of them. But we cannot rely on it, okay, Neeraj and everyone. That's just not going to be the only thing. We're just going to start stacking the cool and integrate a bunch of things at the same time, and we're going to get attention. So tomorrow, it's already Saturday in India. I think starting tomorrow, now we have a publication campaign and media campaigns all across the Gulf area, okay, telling them that OnPassive is a sponsor. So look, we're starting now telling them who will be sponsoring. So it's not even the game time, but all those major publications or media, I think some millions they have subscribers and all of that. So you're going to start seeing those. Like we already signed up on the press releases and all of that. So you're going to start seeing that. And our spokesperson will be coming out and giving people update. It's the integration of things. It's going to be fun. You watch and learn and prepare your books and dump all the old, marketing and sales books.